Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith in for Rob. It is Tuesday, April 28th, 2026. Hope you're doing well. All right, folks, another fantastic day in the WealthCharts live trading room. So let's kind of review. This is the 5-minute on the NASDAQ, and right here is the 9:30 open, right here. And again, what I mentioned here, during the live session was at 9:30. From 9:30 to 9:40, I just let the markets do its thing and I watch. And what we noticed here at 9:40, we were holding at VWAP. Okay, so we were holding at VWAP. Now, saying that, as we started going here, right here at 9:45, we had a nice solid bullish candle, flat bottom, room up to that VWAP, up to the point of control, and up at the time to the gap. So with the overall daily being bullish, I was looking for an opportunity long, and we took that. Okay, and so we'll go over that in just a minute. But then when it held, after we got out of that trade, we started then looking for shorts as it held here back in the direction of the shorter term 5-minute trend down to these lows, right? So this is one of those cases where today we not only took one long trade, but we also took one short trade. I netted between the two trades in total over 25 points. Okay, so with that, folks, when you take a look here, let me show you on the 1-minute chart. So again, right here is the 9:30 open. Okay, and we started getting these fantastic bullish formations here, and I entered long, and I I got in and out. I was literally in the trade for less than 15 seconds, looking for a quick scalp up, knowing we had the VWAP and potential resistance coming, right? And then during this consolidation, folks, it was just such great learning that we all had together, right? On why not to take a trade, why the probabilities aren't there. Then you can see here the channel starting widening, pull back. Again, this was a beautiful short to the downside. And then I was done. I met my goals for the day, but others took this second re-entry as well for a quick scalp as well. So just a fantastic day, folks. Again, if you want to learn my advanced techniques, come join me Wednesday. So Wednesday, it's a very important day. It's April 29th at 10 o'clock Eastern. If you go to becomeabettertrader.com/yes, 10 o'clock Eastern, I'm going to show you exactly the strategy, the advanced strategies that I'm using, with my system in order to get, again, remember, I've gotten over 6 figures in payouts just in Apex alone, and I want you to come join me, and I can teach you as well during this webinar. So come join me, www.becomeabettertrader.com/yes, Wednesday, April 29th, at 10 o'clock Eastern. All right, folks, hope to see you there and have a great rest of your day. Good luck.